I'll be sharing with you some tools and materials I use to make my crochet shoes. First, my crochet hook, the main tool I use for crocheting. So for this pin, I use this pin to create holes on my soles before crocheting. Yeah, my measuring tape. So I use it mainly on those people that have fat leg. For example, two people may need 41. The other person may have slim leg, the other one fat leg. So I mainly use this to measure the leg. I use lighter for finishing. Then my scissors for cutting. So this knife, I use it to remove any excess on the sole. So any rough edge on the sole, I use this knife to trim it off before crocheting. I use hammer only on sandals or slippers I made with adhesive, because after gumming you must hammer. My pen for marking, especially during cutting of soles and insoles. Yeah, these are my rings, my buckles, my pressing pin, then my pin. I normally use this one on my stage as my stage mark. I see. Yeah, this is how it looks like. That's it. So I use these ones on either shoe or sandals belts. Yeah, these are my thread. I use them in different colors. So most people do ask me what kind of yarn or what type of yarn do you use. My thread, I call it fishing thread or twine. Yeah, I just want to show you the type of thread I use. You can see it, fishing twine. I call it twine, or some companies do write fishing thread. So this is the type of thread I use to make my shoes. Yeah, so the tools you've seen are those basic tools I normally use to make my shoes.